First select the polygon tool, hold Shift and Alt buttons and create the shape like this. Switch the fill color to the stroke, increase the stroke size to 3 points. Open the effect, distort and transform, then select the pucker and bloat effect. Increase the bloat to 65%. Click OK. Now go to edit and choose copy. Again open edit, this time choose paste in back. Hold Shift and Alt buttons and reduce the size of the copied shape like this. Decrease the stroke size to 1 point. Change the stroke color to white. Take the selection tool and select these two shapes in this manner. Now go to the object, blend and choose make. Again go to the object, blend and this time choose blend options. Here open spacing options and enable specified steps. Increase the steps to 750 and press OK. Finally go to the object and choose expand appearance. Let's see the final result.